So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can create a basic iRig in Blender with the help of the track to constrainer. So without any further delay, now let's get started the tutorial. And before starting the tutorial guys, I just want to show you what we are exactly going to make in this video. So here you can see guys, into our scene we have a 3 empty and which is directly linked by our eyes. Here you can see. So when I'm just going to move our arrow empty, our eyes also going to follow them. Here you can see. And if you want to move these eyes individually, you can also move these eyes individually as well. Here you can see that's look fine. You can move it according to your desire, according to your suitability. So now how you can do this, let's start a tutorial. So first of all, I just want to start a new file. So here you can see guys, here we have a brand new project file. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select one of my eyes and then I'm just going to add one empty here. I will just press this Shift A, then I'm just going to my empty sections and here I will just add one spare empty. Okay, so right now here you can see our empty going to add here. We don't want our empty here, so for that what we have to do, we have to just select our eyes, then we have to just select the Shift S and here we have to just select this option cursor to active, so that cursor going to move automatically our eyes. So then I'm just going to add one spare empty here, yeah, and I'm just going to scale this little bit and then I'm just going to move it here to here and keep it here. By the way, that's look fine. Okay, and we'll also add one more empty. So I'm just going to duplicate this empty. I will just press the Shift D and then I'm just going to duplicate this here to here, something like that. Okay, so I think that's look fine, yeah. And after that I'm just going to select my eyes and then I'm just going to my constrainer setting and here I will just add one constrainer, its name as a track to constrainer, and then I will just going to select the this eyedropper tool and going to select our empty. So here you can see when I'm just going to select our empty, that eye is going to rotate it something like that. So for that we have to just fix some axis here. So first of all, I'm just going to change the axis as a X axis and here I'm just going to select the Z axis. So here you can see our problem going to fix, yeah, that's look fine. And now here you can see if I'm just going to move this empty here to here, so our eye is going to follow this tracker basically, yeah. And same thing we'll do with the other part as well. I'm just going to select this eye, then I'm just going to make constrainer properties and here I will just add the track to constrainer and here I will just select the eyedropper tool and going to select the second empty, and same problem will happen here as well. So we have to just fix from these axes, something like that. I think we have to also select the X axis for this, yeah, I think we have already selected, yeah, that's look fine. So now here you can see it's also going to follow this empty. Here you can see that's look fine. Okay, so now we can move our eyes individually, something like that. But if we want to move our eyes together, so for that what we have to do, we have to just add one more empty, that empty with both empties. Okay, so for that I'm just going to select the both of the empty, then I'm just going to select the Shift S and I will just select the cursor to active, so that cursor will come here. Then I'm just going to add the one arrow empty here, single arrow. Okay, then I'm just going to move it here to here and I will select the first two empties and then I will select this arrow empty and then I'm just going to press the Control P. Okay, so here we see the new dialog box. So we'll just select the object and keep transform. So now here you can see when I'm just going to move this arrow, so both eyes going to follow that location basically. Here you can see, and now you can also move your eyes together as well. Here you can see, and that's look fine. And if you want to little closer with your eyes, so here you can see. Now if you want to rotate your eyes individually, you can rotate it individually. If you want to rotate your eyes together, so you can just rotate it with this arrow empty. Okay, so that's how you can create a basic iRig in Blender with the help of the track to constrainer, which is super easy. You don't need to add any bones in your scene. You have to just add a simple empties and add the track to constrainer and link with them. So after that you will see that kind of result. Okay, and that is very easy and cool trick, so I thought I should share with you. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new today. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries, if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys.